My name is Kush. I'm from the US, from North Carolina, and I was here doing the intensive professional program in cuisine. Today's the graduation for all the intensive programs. Excited for the stage, a little nervous, but feel prepared because of the chefs at FERRANDI. So I'm starting my stage on Tuesday, and then I hope to stay in France for a few years to train in gastronomic restaurants. One of the biggest value adds from FERRANDI was just learning how to be a professional cook. A lot of things that you don't think about, like the organization, the cleanliness, and just the speed that you have to work with. I think the chefs here did a really great job at pushing us to improve on those things. There was a lot of camaraderie. I think just being in a more intense environment brought all of us together. So it was like a lot of camaraderie. We all became great friends and all sort of learned from each other, pushed each other, and I think we'll be connected for the rest of our careers. Great experience in Paris, a lot of great food. Obviously, it's the capital of gastronomic restaurants. And so I think really just being in a city where food and gastronomy is such an important part of the culture really helps teach you about what good food means and like the level that you're striving to achieve. A lot of people mentioned during the graduation, I was sort of looking for the best French culinary school that was out there. And through my research and seeing some of the other alumni that came through here, like Claire Saffitz, I just decided that FERRANDI was the best, and that if I got accepted, I would go to FERRANDI.